One time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your...
Oh look, it's reversing on me. Oh my god. Dude, I'm already out. Okay, it's not reversing on me. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the FX220 YouTube channel. This is your boy Oussama, expert Forex trader and mentor. I missed you guys. I'm back at it again with a new trade and a new video. So let's crush it. So in this quick video, we're going to discuss, as always, this trade, why I took it, and the reasons, all the confluences and everything. So it's gonna be a bit of a fun video. Let's talk about some personal stuff and everything, and we will analyze the trade as well. So let's start with the trade. Very simple. We have a downtrend, a very clear downtrend. I haven't been able to trade these opportunities and these setups. Like lately, I've not been focusing that much on trading, and these trades were against some of our levels and rules. This is why I did not take them. But yeah, I took the easy ones. As if you've been following me for a long time, I don't trade for my ego, I just trade the easy trades. That's how you keep a high win rate. So basically, very simple, downtrend. Anyone can recognize this. Lower lows, lower highs, EMA is up and down, everything. Market cycle is down. We've had our last wave here, it's over, then boom, downtrend. What we are looking for, our previous setup, the setup that I've done a video about, the video that went viral. Oh, you guys, have you guys noticed that I'm getting a bit famous? Like, I've got a video that hit over like 50,000 views and another one that's close to 20,000 views. I mean, if you guys don't keep sharing and liking these videos and commenting and everything, I'll not be posting anymore. I know I'm getting a bit famous, so you better put some respect on FX220. Yeah, I mean, I've got like over 1,000 subscribers on Instagram. Can you believe that? Dude, it's the most I've ever seen. I mean, I'm done. I'm not going to post anymore. You guys have to, I mean, shower me with likes and comments and everything. That's how it's supposed to be. I mean, I'm getting famous now. You guys either do that or I'm stopping these videos and I'm stopping everything, all right? So you better keep doing that. Just kidding, guys. What else I'm going to do? It's like, of course I'm gonna keep posting and helping everyone. I mean, that's it, that's my life. I've signed up to this. I cannot retreat now. So I'm going to keep posting and keep analyzing and keep telling you guys about my trades and everything, okay? But you still have to do some of the things that I said. So looking at this trade, our setup, the Asian range consolidation, a false breakout, and formation, boom, that's it. Do you remember, guys, when I've explained to you, I said like Asian consolidation plus W equals money, and in this case, Asian consolidation plus M formation equals money. That's it. You have a breakout of the Asian consolidation range, and it's a false breakout. Of course, a lot of people will go long here. Arrow traders, let's say. One guy commented on my last video saying that we call these type of traders arrow traders. I was dead when I read that. So we will utilize this term right here from one of our followers. Arrow traders will go long here and they will get trapped. Why? Because the real direction is to the south, and we know that we're the real traders here. We're not the arrow traders. So we basically know that the market cycle is pointing down, and these are only false moves. So we're expecting only moves to the downside, and that's why. So information, I was in here. This was after the news. I've waited. You could have entered here, but the confirmations and the correlation confirmations were not so strong. So this is why I've waited. There was a news release here. I was in after the news, and that's it. It was an easy trade. I took 24 pips. This year I'm trying to increase my take profits a little bit. I used to stick to only 20 pips. Because I used to complain that the trades take so long and everything, but just excuses. I mean, I can hold them for longer. Most of my entries when I hit them, and the same for my students, when we hit these accurate entries, market usually goes for a lot more. You know what I mean? So if, let's say our entry was here, look how much market would go, 60 pips, and we used to only take 20, 25 pips. So you kind of can increase it a little bit if you have that patience, but don't be like me. I mean, I am impatient. I don't like to hold my trades for too long. I got a lot of things to do. I mean, lately I've been training hard. I've been focusing on my fitness and my diet and everything, and this is playing with my mind, dude. I'm eating less calories, less carbs, and you get these mood swings, you get these depressions, I think. So I've been kind of, a little bit not 100% focused on trading and everything. So you guys have to bear with me a little bit until I get back on track, and the old me will get back, all right? We all face these periods when you feel, I don't know, you just feel unmotivated or bored or whatever. I felt real bored in the past few weeks. Like, to be honest, I share with you guys everything. I mean, I got bored with trading, like, really. I didn't want to look at the charts. I didn't want to analyze. I didn't want to go in depth in trading stuff and everything, because I've been doing it for so long that it got a little bit boring. But that's it. What else you gonna do? I mean, trading is not like my ultimate passion on everything. I do love it, yes, but everything, if you do it in excess, you'll get like a little bit bored. Even you take whatever, take the best athletes or everything, they need to take some time off. Even if they love their game, even if they love football and everything, or basketball, they need to take some time off to really like recharge and come back. And this is what I needed. I haven't took like a long time off. I'm just taking, it's like if I take a half a day off, that means I'm on a vacation, dude. For me, I don't like taking days off, so I rarely take off days. But when I feel like this bored, I take a half a day, sometimes like very rarely a complete like day. But yeah, it's like, since I was like a teenager or a kid, fitness was like my biggest passion. That's it. I was like 14, 15 years old, looking at these bodybuilders and stuff. It was my passion, dude. Even when I dropped out of college, my first year, I spent it all working out. Basically, I've had like killer gains that year because I was sleeping very well. No college, no school in the morning, so I'm sleeping like 10 hours. So it's basically just working out, eating well, and recovery. But I was I was like aimless in life. I didn't have anything. Just hit the gym, work out, whatever. I don't only hit the gym, I do calisthenics as well. It's like, it's one of my passions. Calisthenics is basically like body weight exercises. So you hit a park, like when you have like pull-up bars and everything, when you do body weight exercises. And I'm kind of addicted to that. And that's what I've been training since I was like 14 years old or whatever. And I've been making killer gains lastly. I just cannot put out my pictures on my Instagram profiles because this is a trading profile, not my personal one. I used to have like an Instagram profile when I post my pictures and everything, but I don't like using social media too much, so I've deleted my Instagram profile, my personal Facebook profile and everything. Yeah, and I'm here making you guys bored with my boring stories. So many people have been asking me like, dude, I've posted a post asking them, what do you want me to post about? I mean, do you want me to start implementing some new things, adding some new stuff? And people have been asking me, post, we don't know a lot about you. I mean, why do you want to know about me? Is there any specific reason? I mean, my life is not like very interesting in everything, or I'm not like a very interesting person or social. I don't have a lot of friends. Yeah, that's basically me. And now you know a lot about me, so I hope you're happy now. You guys want to know everything. Jesus Christ. So let's get back to trading. So we said we got our information pretty good setup. Let's check out the correlations from the other pairs. We check USD CHF at the exact same time of our entry, 11:30 my time. Boom, was trending up. So this is another confirmation here. Pound USD around that time was going sideways, but started to fall. Look at this massive candle exactly at our entry. What this indicates is the USD is gaining some strength. Looking at this, and these pairs, the major pairs, are starting to reverse. So same as the euro reversed here, the pound as well. AUD USD, boom, been falling since the start of the session, been falling massively. I mean, this is AUD weakness and also some USD strength. Same thing with NZD USD as well, been falling. I sometimes look at the dollar index as well. The dollar index is basically the USD against the 6 major pairs, and it's a pretty accurate index if you want to look at it. So around that time we've got a strong trending up. So basically weak euro plus strong USD equals perfect trade. That's it. We got our pattern, our correlation confirmations, we have our key levels. I was out before this first key level. Notice here why I did put my take profit here, simply because I don't want it to hold during this. Okay, if you are, let's say, you enter here, if you are 26 pips in profit, then you are, boom, you're back to 9 pips. I mean, you could have taken your profits at 25 or 26 and that's it, you call it a day. You focus on this move next time, like taking these smooth moves, dropping heavy lots on them, and that's it. That's how you make it. You don't have to hold very long. That's it. So all the criteria is met, all the rules are met, and boom, perfect trade. So I hope you guys really liked this video. Tell me guys in the comments, what do you want me to post about? What do you want me to make videos about and everything? I really care about your feedback. I read all the comments, I answer them all, I like them all, so keep them coming. So don't forget to subscribe on Instagram, Facebook, on YouTube as well. So thank you very much. I wish you all the best. Take care.